So, good morning students. Ninth problem in exercise 5.1. Rajendra and Rihana own a business. Rihana receives 25% of the profit in each month. If Rihana receives 2080 rupees in a particular month, what is the total profit in that month? So, Rajendra and Rihana together started a business. For every month, Rihana receives the profit in every month, 25% of the profit. If in a particular month Rihana received 2080 rupees, then what is the total profit of that month? Okay, so you have to find out the profit in a month, in a particular month. Okay, so first of all write the given data. So we don't know what is the profit amount, what is the total profit in a particular month. So let us take the total profit in a particular month as X. Let the total profit be X. The total profit of the month. Total profit of the month is X. X rupees. Okay. So the total profit of the month is X rupees. Then Rihana receives 25% of the profit. So 25% of the profit. 25% of the profit is equal to, so total amount of the profit into 25%, 25 by 100, that is X into 1 by 4, 25 ones, 25 fours. So that is the 25% of the amount. Okay, so the amount received by Rihana, the amount received by Rihana. So Rihana received 25% of the amount, but the amount is 2080 rupees. So 25, Rihana received 25% of the profit. So 25% of the profit means X by 4 and the amount is 2080. So from the given data, given that X into 1 by 4 is equal to 2080 rupees. Okay. So X is equal to, this 4 is in division. So by turning to right side, it becomes multiplication. So X is equal to, X means the amount, total profit is equal to 8,320 rupees. Okay. So 4 0 0, 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8. So the total profit amount is therefore 8,320 rupees is the total profit in a particular month. Total profit in a particular month. Okay. Particular month. So this is the 9th problem. Okay. And then 10th problem. So 10th problem is triangles. Two triangles comparison. Okay. So in a triangle ABC, so ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. 10th problem. And AB equal to 2.2. AB is 2.2 centimeters. And BC is 1.5 centimeters. AC 2.3 centimeters. In a triangle XYZ, so another triangle is also given, X, Y and Z. This is XYZ triangle. In a triangle XYZ, XY is 4.4 centimeters and YZ is 3 centimeters. YZ is 3 centimeters and XZ is 4.6. XZ is 4.6 centimeters. Then you have to find the ratio of AB is to XY, BC is to YZ and AC is to XZ. So you have to find out the ratios of their sides, and are the lengths of corresponding sides of triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are in proportion. So proportion means, so if two triangles are in proportion, then their corresponding sides ratio should be equal. అంటే corresponding sides అంటే AB XY and AC XZ, BC YZ. ఈ sides length ratios equal అయితే then the two triangles are said to be in proportion. So first of all you have to find out their ratios. AB is to XY. So AB is 2.2 is to XY is 4.4. So by removing, so each has one digit in decimal part. So by removing decimal you will get 22 is to 44. That is 1 is to 2. So AB is to XY is 1 is to 2. Next second ratio, BC is to YZ. So BC is 1.5 and YZ is 3. So this is also by removing this decimal you will get 15. ఇక్కడ decimal remove చేసాం, ఇక్కడ decimal లేదు కాబట్టి 15 is to 30 అవుతుంది. 15 is to 30 means 1 is to 2. So the ratio of BC is to YZ is also 1 is to 2. And then the third ratio you have to find out is AC is to XZ. So AC is 2.3 is to XZ is 4.6. Both have one digit in decimal. So 23 is to 46 and it is also equal to 1 is to 2. So AC is to XZ is also 1 is to 2. So the corresponding sides AB is to XZ is 1.2 and BC is to YZ is also 1.2 and the third side AC is to XZ is also 1 is to 2. So all the three corresponding sides ratio of the two triangles are same. So they are said to be in proportion. Since AB is to XY equal to BC is to YZ is also equals to AC is to XZ. So since these three ratios are equal, triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are in proportion. So this is a 10th problem. Okay. Next. Next 11th problem. So the 11th problem of this exercise is about a shop, a supermarket. So Madhuri went to a supermarket. The price changes are as follows. So prices change అవుతుంటాయి కదమ్మా అప్పుడప్పుడు మార్కెట్ రేట్స్ అనేవి. సో అవి ఎలా ఉన్నాయంటే the price of rice reduced by 5%. Rice price 5% reduce means తగ్గింది. Jam and fruits reduced by 8%. The price of jam and fruits also reduced by 8%. And the price of oil and dal are increased by 10%. Oil and dal price are increased by 10%. Percent means per 100. Okay. Help Madhuri to find the changed prices in the given table. So here is the table given, original price and the changed price. Original prices of each item are given and you have to find out the changed price regarding to the given data. Okay. So original price of rice is 30% and rice is reduced by 5%. Okay. So start. Original price of rice Original price of rice is, how much is given? 30 rupees. 30 rupees. So reduce in percentage of rice is 5%. So changed price. Okay, first of all, find out the reduced price. Reduced price of rice. Reduced price of rice. So here percentage, reduced percentage is given. That is 5%. So to note the reduced price, you have to multiply this with percentage. So 5% means 5 by 100. So zeros, 0 cancelled, 5 ones, 5 twos. So reduced price means 3 by 2 rupees. 3 by 2 rupees means 1.5 rupees. Means 1 rupee 50 paise. So reduced price is 1.50. So original price. Reduced price. Original price is given. You have to find out the changed price. So the changed price of rice is, changed price of rice. So original price is 30 rupees minus reduced price is 1.5. That is the total original price is 30 minus 1.5 means, so 28.50. So 28 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. So write down this amount in your table. Okay. First of all of you draw the table also in your notebooks. Then write the changed prices in the table also after calculation. Okay. Next, second one is rice. First rice is completed. Second one is jam. So jam. Original price. Original price of jam. So the jam original price is given as 100 rupees. And the jam and fruits reduced by 8%. So jam is reduced by 8%. So reduced price. Reduced price of jam. So reduced price of jam means original price into reduced percentage. How much percentage it is reduced? 8%. So 8 by 100. 100 cancelled. So 8 rupees is reduced. So original price 100 rupees and 8 rupees are reduced means what is the changed price? Changed price of jam. So changed price of jam is original 100 minus reduced 8. So 100 minus 8 is 92 rupees. Then write this 92 rupees in the changed price at the jam. Okay. And the third one is apples. So original price of apple. Apples. So what is the cost of apples in original? 280 rupees. Maybe it for a dozen or something. So 208 rupees. Already in the given problem, jam and fruits both are reduced by 8%. So apples and fruits, so reduced by 8%. Reduced price of apples is original 280 into reduced percent 8 by 100. Okay. So 8 by 100 means 0, 0. 2 fours, 2 fives. Okay. So 28 into 4 by 5. You may cancel this in decimal form. Okay. So decimal means 5 ones. 5 fives are 25. 3 remain. If you put point 3, 0, 30 avutundi. So 5 6 are 5.6. Okay, 5.6 into 4. That is 6 fours are 24. 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So 22 rupees 40 paise of price is reduced. Okay. So changed price of apples. Changed price of apples. Original is 280 and reduced is 22.40 then subtract 280 22.4 subtract 0 6 then it borrowing 9 minus 2 7 borrowing it will become 7 minus 2 5 and here 257.60 means 257 rupees 60 pice. Okay, so this is the original price of changed price of jam. Next, oil dal. Oil and dal. So oil, original price of oil is 120 rupees. 120 rupees. So the oil and dal are increased. Oil and dal are increased. So increased price of oil. So how much percent is it increased? 10% increase. So original into 10 by 100. 10 by 100 means 10 months, 10 tens and 0 cancel. 12 rupees increased. So the oil is increased by 20 rupees. So changed price of oil is original 120 plus increased 20. So total cost is 140 rupees. Okay. Next one is dal. So the original price of dal is 80 rupees per kg and dal is also increased by 10%. So increased price of dal is original price into 10%. Okay, so 8 rupees are increased. 8 rupees increased per 1 kg of dal. So changed price of dal is original 80 plus increased 8. 80 plus 8 is 88 rupees. Okay. So this is 11th problem.